Did you know every day, crucial wildlife habitats disappear? But what if I told you there's a tool that helps conservationists like you track and protect these areas? Today, we're diving into MAPOG GIS to create professional wildlife habitat maps, no coding required. First, always start with a high-resolution base map. For wildlife work, I recommend satellite view. It combines satellite imagery with key landmarks to see how we can identify forest edges and water sources. Now for the powerful part, adding our conservation data. Click this GIS data button. Let's type the country and add boundary map. To view the map, click Add on Map and go to the Action button and click Style Layer to adjust the opacity. Click Save Style. Now let's add wildlife data from MAPOG GIS data. Let's type the country and search for wildlife protected areas, and with one click, all national parks appear. Click Add to Map to appear on the screen. Once your layers are successfully added to the MAPOG platform, it's time to enhance your visualization to make the data easier to interpret. This can be done by style layers. Choose Category Style and select the attributes to color code by park type. I'm giving different colors to national parks. Now to pinpoint the area, click Action button of the Wildlife Reserve point and select Style Layer and change the icon, color, opacity, and radius. See how color choices affect readability. For land cover, apply the same steps as wildlife by selecting country from the GIS data and search for land use and add to map. Go to the Action button and select Style Layer and switch to Heat Map Style, Opacity, Radius, Weight Attributes, and Color Gradient to show forest density. Dark red means thick settlement and yellow means less dense settlement. This will help monitor wildlife and prevention of poaching and hunting. Like this? Check out our MAPOG channel and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Contact us at support@mapog.com for any queries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.